Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Arculus Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your assets or just get more hands-on with your crypto, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, ensure you have a few things ready. A verified Coinbase account with some XRP in it, and your Arculus Wallet app installed and set up on your device. This is crucial because you'll need to handle wallet addresses accurately to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and locate your XRP balance in the portfolio section. If you don't see it, make sure XRP is enabled in your account settings. Step 2. Once you're on the XRP page, click on the Send or Withdraw button. This will open a form where you'll enter the details for the transfer. Step 3. Now, switch to your Arculus Wallet app. Navigate to the Receive or Wallet Address section, select XRP, and copy the wallet address displayed. Remember, XRP uses the XRPL network, so double-check that the address starts with an R followed by numbers and letters. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but be mindful of any minimum transfer limits and network fees, which can vary. Step 5. Review everything carefully, address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm to process the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's sent. After a few minutes, open your Arculus wallet to verify that the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Blockchain transactions can take a bit. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer XRP in 2025. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your private keys safe. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto smart.